Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Messenger audio and video call cuts but call time is still showing on screen. If Messenger call cut but the call timer keeps running, it usually happens because of weak internet connection, Messenger apps problem, battery optimization, stopping background activity and phone software bug. Let's see how to fix Messenger call cut but call time is still showing problem solved. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back. Click on apps permission. Check microphone permission. Allow your microphone permission. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Messenger app. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Messenger audio and video call cut but call time is still showing problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.